Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Look, Liam, it's raining. Wow, I love the rain. The drops sound so nice. Let's watch from the window. Should we go outside? Yes, but we need umbrellas. I have a blue one. Mine is pink with hearts. Let's wear our rain boots. Good idea. I don't want wet socks. Me too. Now we're ready for fun. Splash! I love puddles. Me too. Jump higher. My boots are all wet now. That's the fun part. Let's make paper boats. Yes, I'll fold mine fast. Look, it's floating. Mine is racing yours. Let's sing a rain song. Rain, rain, go away. Ha! I love that one. Come again another day. The rain is heavy now. Let's stand under the tree. It's dripping here too. Oops, my hair is wet. I'm cold now. Let's go inside for hot chocolate. Yum, with marshmallows. Of course. Look at the drops on the glass. They look like tiny pearls. So pretty. I could watch them all day. Oh no, thunder. Don't worry, it's just the clouds. It's so loud. Let's count between lightning and sound. Let's draw the rainy day. I'll draw clouds and drops. And I'll draw us with umbrellas. Great teamwork. Can we play inside? Sure, let's play hide and seek. You count. I'll hide. Ready or not, here I come. Let's make a fort with blankets and pillows. This is our rain house. So cozy inside. Want to hear a story? Yes, a rainy day story. Once upon a time. I'm listening. Mom made fritters. Yay, my favorite. Perfect for a rainy day. Crunchy and warm. Look, the rain stopped. Wow, a rainbow. It has 7 colors. Let's take a picture. Rain helps plants grow. Yes, and fills rivers too. The earth needs rain. Nature is amazing. The rain is gone now. I'll miss it. Don't worry, it'll come again. Can't wait for the next rainy day. Oh no, our shoes are muddy. Let's clean them outside. Okay, with water and soap. All clean and shiny. I'm sleepy now. Me too. It was a fun day. Rainy days are the best. Good night, Emma.